You shave at dawn while the city throws crows at your name. Tie leather to your ankles, lace patience to the flame. Pocket full of quiet, compass stitched under your vest. You don't beg the mirror, you make the mirror confess. Count slow, 4 in, hold a storm at the gate. Let anger turn engines, let discipline translate. You choose a way, not the noise in the room. A man with a sinner makes the thunder make room. Stand in your boots, let the cheap wind pass. Deep blue flame under tempered glass. Hands like hammers, vows like heart. Crowns don't crown you, you forge in Blacksmith Heart. They flash their paper kingdom, you answer with your steel. Keep ledgers made of habit, sign courage with your heel. You turn a hard week sideways till it fits your open palm. You shake the dice of trouble and it squares to your calm. Truth first, then talk. Set the fuse, not a fire. Hold a leash on the lion, make the hunger sing high. You don't chase a throne or the choirs of blood. You stand in the room, remembers what standing was. Let the anvil of silence ring once, ring true. Let the sweat say king before any man does for you. If the night draws sword, you answer with dawn. You're the proof that a storm can be worked and then gone. Stand in your boots, let the cheap wind pass. Deep blue flame on the tempered glass. Hands like hammers, vows like heart. Crowns don't crown you, you're forged in Blacksmith Heart. Let the cheap wind pass. Deep blue flame on the tempered glass. Hands like hammers, vows like art. Crowns don't crown you, you forged in Blacksmith Heart.